Let's continue with the determinant topic. Okay, now we have taken a 3 by 3 determinant whose value is to be obtained. In the previous video, we studied how to find the cofactors. So what we can do to find the determinant is pick up any one row or any one column and find the cofactors of that elements. So I am going to find cofactor of the first row elements. Cofactor of 1, cofactor of 2, cofactor of 3. So to find the cofactor, we will write this is first row, first column entry. So 1 plus 1. Remove that row and column, write the submatrix, expand it. Minus 1 raised to 2 is 1 and this is 45 minus 48. That gives me minus 3. Okay. Then cofactor of 2. So it is first row, second column entry. So minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. Remove the first row and second column. Write the remaining 4, 6, 7, 8, 7, 9. So this is minus 1 into 36 minus 42. That is minus 6 into minus 1, 6. So the cofactor of 2 is 6. Okay, now to the cofactor of 3. So that's minus 1 raised to first row, third column. Remove the first row, third column. So it's 4, 5, 7, 8. That becomes minus 1 raised to 4 is 1. This is 4 8s are 32 minus 35 minus 3. So we have the cofactors of the first row. To find the value of the determinant, I am first going to write the cofactors here since I want to clear the board. Cofactor of 1 is minus 3, cofactor of 2 is 6 and cofactor of 3 is minus 3. This is what I obtained from here. Now to find the value of the determinant, which can be denoted as D or okay, here I have denoted it with A. So the value of A is 1 into the cofactor, element into the cofactor, element into the cofactor. So this becomes minus 3 plus 12 minus 9. Value of this determinant is 0. Okay. So we'll get a single value like this, maybe 0 or 5 or 7 or whatever. Now, we have done this with the first row. Instead of using the first row, we can use any other row or column. Let's take up column 2. So if I am going to consider column 2, we have to find the cofactors of the elements of the second column. So cofactor of 2, then we will find cofactor of 5 and cofactor of 8. So to find the cofactor of 2, we should take minus 1 raised to, which row it is? First row and second column. Don't write the first row, second column entries, write the remaining. So it becomes minus 1 into 4 9s are 36 minus 42, which is 6. Okay. Cofactor of 5, second row, second column entry. Don't write that. Write the remaining, that is 1, 3, 7, 9. So that makes it minus 1 raised to even number 1 and 9 minus 21. That is minus 12. For 8, it is which row? Third row and second column. Don't write third row, second column. Write the remaining entries. 1, 3, 1, 3, 4, 6 and that is minus 1 into 6 minus 12. 6 is. So I have the cofactors of 2, 5 and 8. They are 6 minus 12 and 6 respectively. We need not write in this way. I am just writing since I want to clean the board. So how do we obtain the value of the determinant? We write the entry 2 into its cofactor plus 5 into its cofactor plus 8 into its cofactor. So that is 12 minus 60 plus 48. And calculate to get the value. It is 60 minus 60, 0. Okay, so whichever row or column you take up, the value is going to come the same. This is by using the cofactors and solving. If I want to do it directly, direct expansion, I will do it with the first row. Let us see what it is. So I'll write 1. Don't write the first row and first column. 5, 6, 8, 9. We have to write alternate sign here. If I am taking the first row, then it is going to be plus, minus, plus. As discussed in the previous video, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, and plus, minus, plus. This way you have to take. If you are taking the first row, it's going to be plus, minus, plus. If you are taking the second column, it is going to be minus, plus, minus. That's the sign you have to put. Okay, so 1 into this, 2 into, remove this much, what is left? 4, 6, 7, 9. The row and the column. Now for the first row and the third column, 4, 5, 7, 8. Expand it. 45 minus 48 minus 2, 36 minus 42 plus 3, 32 minus 35. Let's check if we are correct. Minus 6 plus 3 into minus 3. So this is minus 3 plus 12 minus 9, which is equal to 0. Okay, that's how we expand a determinant.